Hey everyone, and welcome to the virtual tour of Sana Commerce. In this video tutorial I will tell you about ERP connection, to be more precise about the maintenance mode in Sana Commerce and how to configure connection between Sana and your ERP system. To access ERP connection settings in Sana Admin, click Tools and then ERP connection. So here on the ERP connection page you can configure and control two things. The first one is the maintenance mode, and the second one is the ERP connection itself, the settings that are used to connect Sana to the ERP system. At first, let's start with the connection settings, and after it, I will tell you about the maintenance mode. When Sana Commerce is installed, the first thing that you need to do is to set up connection between Sana and your ERP system. This can be done in the default connection area, or in some specific scenarios, you can also use custom connections. Sana Commerce can be connected to one ERP system as well as to different ERP systems simultaneously to get data from various sources. Sana Commerce framework consists of several subsystems that can be seen in the custom connections area. All data can be stored and retrieved from one ERP system, or you can connect some of the Sana Commerce subsystems to different ERP systems. For example, it is possible to get product master data from some product information management system, prices from one ERP system, and inventory from another ERP system. It is also possible to connect some of the Sana Commerce subsystems to one ERP system, but via multiple ERP web services to distribute the load. So let's sum up. If you connect your Sana Commerce to one ERP system, you can set up connection in the default connection area. If you connect some subsystems of the Sana Commerce framework to different ERP systems or to one ERP system but via multiple ERP web services, set up the appropriate connections in the custom connections area. And now, let's take a look at the connection settings in more detail. This provider field determines the type of provider. Sana Commerce delivers only one global provider type, e-business, which can be connected to any ERP system. By default, Sana Commerce is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics NAV, Microsoft Dynamics AX, and SAP. In the connection type drop-down list, you should select your connection type. It determines which ERP system you are connecting to. Then, in the web service URL field, enter the web service URL of your ERP system. If you do not have the web service URL, contact the person who is responsible for setting up your ERP environment. Enter the domain and credentials of the user who is accessing the ERP system. If you do not have this information, please also contact the person who is responsible for setting up your ERP environment. In the connection timeout field, you can enter the time to wait while trying to establish a connection before terminating the attempt. You can set the amount of time in seconds a connection waits to time out. A connection timeout means that a server is taking too long to reply to a data request. If nothing is said, the default connection timeout will be used, which is 60 seconds. There is also a possibility to enable and disable login. If login is enabled, all requests from the Sana admin and web store to ERP and responses will be written into the tracelog file on the server. By default, login is disabled as it affects performance. Therefore, it is better to use it only for debugging purposes. And the last field is extra parameters. It can be used when you need to specify some extra parameters in the connection to ERP. For example, if you are connecting Sana Commerce to Microsoft Dynamics AX and you need to enable AX user native impersonation, this can be done in the extra parameters field. When you configured all the necessary settings to establish a connection between Sana and ERP, click Test Connection to check whether the connection is available. Well, that's all about how to establish a connection between Sana and ERP system. And now, I will tell you about maintenance mode. Sana Commerce allows to accept orders even when connection to the ERP system is not available for some reason. This possibility is controlled by the maintenance mode. The maintenance mode can be enabled and disabled manually if needed, and the web store can switch to the maintenance mode automatically after a certain number of connection failures. So, using the maintenance mode option, you can enable the maintenance mode and disable it manually. In this drop-down list, you can select the number of connection failures before the website automatically goes to the maintenance mode. If there are some problems with the connection to your ERP system, this number indicates how many connection failures should take place one after another before the website automatically switches to the maintenance mode. Here, you can see ERP connection status, whether it is available or not available. ERP connection status is also shown on the homepage of Sana admin. If connection is not available, you will see the message at the top and the button Try to reconnect. When connection is fixed, click Try to reconnect to restore it and switch the website to online. There is also the task ERP connection status check that can be set up to automatically check connection availability, and when it is available, this task switches the website to online automatically. Please note that the website can switch to the maintenance mode only if data is synchronized. For this purpose, there is a task called General Information Import. This task is used to synchronize data with your ERP system to be able to run the website in the maintenance mode when connection to ERP is not available. If data is not synchronized with your ERP system, the website will not be available to switch to the maintenance mode. The task can run only when connection to your ERP system is available. This task synchronizes such data with your ERP system like currencies, countries, units of measure, external shipping methods, anonymous customer, product categories, products and product variants, customers and shipping addresses. During synchronization, data is stored in the SQL database and thus can be used in the maintenance mode. When the website is in the maintenance mode, the data of the last synchronization will be used. When the website switches to the maintenance mode, and also when connection to ERP system is restored, Sana System Administrator receives an email notifying that the maintenance mode is activated or deactivated. Sales orders that are placed in the maintenance mode when there is no connection to ERP can be viewed in Sana admin under Sales, Unprocessed Orders. When connection to ERP is restored, you can check the orders and process them here. For more information about the tasks ERP connection status check and general information import, and also about how to process the orders placed in the maintenance mode and the ordering process itself, visit the Sana Help website and watch other video tutorials in the Sana video gallery. We are so happy to have you as part of the Sana Commerce family. You've made a great choice by selecting Sana Commerce. Sana takes care of your online business.